Maxwell needle induction. This is digital null detector. Here these are the inputs for this one. Okay, so here is a bridge already inbuilt oscillator is there. P is nothing but three combinations of resistance, that is variable resistance, 1 into 100, 1 into 10, 1 into 1. So 3 are P. These three combination adding of these three is P. R1 is nothing but here variable resistance. This is a continuous variable from 0 to 100. Okay, and next L1 is 20 millihenry. L2 is unknown resistance. L1 is 20 millihenry inductance. L2 is unknown inductance. We have to find out this inductance value. And R is we have given three options: 100 ohms, 200 ohms, and 400 ohms. So in this we are calculating unknown inductance. There is a formula: L2 is equal to R by P into L1. So that is nothing but L2 we are finding out. So L2 is equal to R by P. Okay, R by P into L1. This L1. So we have to make note down of P, R and L1. L1 is already fixed 20 millihenry. So whatever value of you are keeping this R and this thing, you have to note down it. So right now I'm doing the connection. Okay, before connecting we have to choose R1. Initially we have to choose R1. Say suppose I am choosing at mid 50 or 60, anyone. If you want to repeat for all the things, you can even repeat like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like 10 times you can do it out. Right now I'm doing a single reading, so I'm taking like as 60 degrees, 60 ohms. Okay, 60 ohms. So now I'm connecting D, that is nothing but digital null detector. Even you can connect, if you want to hear in headphones, even you can connect in headphones, but headphone is not preferable. You can directly see here by digital readings. So we have chosen R1 as 60 and R as 100. So now we have to vary these three to get the minimum value in null detector, that is nothing but minimum sound. Okay, so right now I'm varying first one, 1 into 100. So you can see it has been dropped. So again I'm going for another one. So it has been dropped again for another one. So it is increasing. So we don't need to go 3 into 100, 300 ohms. We can shift it to 200 because we need to get it minimum. It is increasing, right? So we don't need to choose this thing. We have to choose 2 in first option of resistance. 2 into 100, that is 200 ohms plus this. Now I'm choosing for 10 into 10x. So this, it is increasing. So we don't need. So this is 0 only. Now in this it is dropping. So 1 into 1 dropping, 2 into 1. Okay. Now it is increasing. So this is the minimum position for this reading. So for R, for now we got readings for P and R. Like L1 is 20 millihenry, R is 100 ohms, P is nothing but 2 into 100 plus this one. This is 0. So we do plus 0 plus 2 into 1. So that nothing but 202 ohms. 2 into 100, 200 plus 2 into 1, 2. 200 plus 2 is 202 ohms, 202 ohms. That is P. So we got P, R and L1. We can calculate unknown inductance. So like this we have to do the experiment. If you want to do for another step of readings, you can do. Suppose say I am choosing now R is equal to 200. So again we have to balance the bridge. My first option is this one, 100 option. So by selecting 1, it is dropping. 2, minimum sound, still it is dropping. For 4, it is still dropping. 5, it is increasing. So we have to shift it to 4 now. So 0.10, right? Now I'm going for this another option, 10 option into 10, increasing. So doesn't need, not required. Nothing change. Dropped. Drop. No change. Increasing. So 3 is the option. So here in this same R1, R200, P 4 into 100, 400 plus 3 into 1, 3, that is 403. For second set of readings, P is 403, R is 200. So you have to calculate unknown inductance. Same thing. Substitute in the L2, you can find out the unknown inductance. Similarly, you can shift it to 400 ohms. Again, you have to calculate. Same. First step is into 100. So, see, from 9.8 it is dropped to 7.8, 6.10, 4.70, selecting 4 as 3.50, into 5, 2.25, 1.7, 0.86, for 8, 0.12. Now it is increasing, so 8 is the minimum position. For let us see for 10, it is dropping, 0.10. No, it is increasing, so 0.10 is enough. So here again for one selection, no change, no change, it is increasing, so we doesn't need this thing. So for this set of reading, R is 400, P is 8 into 100, 800 ohms, plus 10 into 1, that is nothing but 810 ohms. So now in these readings we got P as 810 plus R as 400. You can even find out same reading, L2 is equal to R by P into L1. L1 is nothing but 220 milliampere. So like this we can do 3 set of reading. Even you can do in multiple set of reading by adjusting these things as well. Okay, like you can fix it here and adjust the things. Repeat the same steps.